Hey guys and gals, it's Scott, Heritage Farms, Texas. Here we go, another weekend. What's on deck today? Well, I got up this morning. We took the cattle off of the rental property earlier this week. It's just been so wet and there's just not enough grass up there, so they pretty much had wiped out what was there. I was hoping to keep them over there 2 weeks, but we really only got a week and a half out of it. So we brought them back over here to telephone 2. And I tell you what, we're already on like our second rotation. This group is wiping out the grass. So trying to do the Greg Judy method of rotational grazing. You can see my grass is not great, but it looks pretty good. I mean, the ryegrass is going to, of course, die out here pretty soon when we start getting some of these higher temperatures. There's just been so much moisture, so much clouds. You know, it's just really been a tough spring, and we can't get anything done to speak of when it comes to work on the farm because it's so wet. This Kubota is the only thing you can get around with, and I don't know if you can just see how filthy this thing is. In my genius, I took the doors off to make it easy to get in and out of, because we literally we get in and out of this thing a million times to open gates, to do electric fence work, blah, blah, blah. Well, of course, my wife reminds me that with no doors on there that it slings mud everywhere. So I think she has a pretty valid point. Life is full of trade-offs. But anyway, this has just been a crazy spring. So not a lot on deck this weekend. I mean, there's just so many things I need to do, but I can't get the tractor in the pasture. I can't, you know, there's some places I need to shred. There's some fence work I need to do. There's some low limbs I need to be cutting. On the horizon, you can see where we started knocking down those cedar trees, and that continues. So, you know, man, a guy's work is just never done on the farm. But Mother Nature has just been really blessing us with a ton of rain. So all of the pools are full. I'll let you check out these baby calves. They're looking pretty good. They're looking pretty good. This group in here always looks decent though, man. I don't know what to tell you. But something about cows love going to a new pasture. Absolutely love it. It's just fresh. I guess they're like humans. I think they get bored to a certain degree, and they cherish and welcome any opportunity to go someplace new. So man, we are trying to do the Greg Judy method of rotational grazing. If you guys are not familiar with Greg Judy, I'll probably put a link up here so you can pick up on it. But I mean, this is the story of my life, man. There is just moisture and mud everywhere. You can't hardly even walk through the gates or anything. So that's what's on deck today. I'll give you an update as we move along, but Memorial Day weekend, a time when we would normally be doing a lot of grilling and barbecuing, which we do have that on deck today with the family get together, so looking forward to that. But hey, I'm sure everybody else is in the same boat out there, but count your blessings when you get the rain. But man, because I'm sure here in another month it'll be 100 degrees with no rain till September, so more to follow. Hey guys, Scott with Heritage Farms, Texas. Well, Saturday morning, still too wet to do anything. The pecan orchard is looking a mess. Man, we needed to have those lanes cleaned up. But what are we doing? Well, it is so wet, you literally can't get the tractor anywhere off of a road. So today you start looking for some of those jobs that basically are low on the priority list, but on a day like today, this is about all I can do. So what we're doing, this is the main entrance into the pecan orchard. And I don't know if you can tell, but these cedars have started overtaking the driveway. So we're in the process of clearing this up, cutting them back. We'll make piles, pick them up on the tractor, and we'll get this job wrapped up. More to follow, but this is the before picture. Okay, I may have bitten off a little more than I can handle here. I mean, this is a pretty good sized cedar here. You can see this thing starts over here, comes on around. Big boy, and the ground is soaking wet. Of course, I've got the four-wheel drive and the differential lock in. And Big Blue, once again, man, is just getting it done today. We are moving some of these old, dead cedar trees. You know, they were partially pushed over, but the ground is so soft, I mean, I can actually get them out pretty easy right now. And, man, I'm just impressed with this tractor and what it's getting done today. So, there you go. Big Blue moving some cedars, working its butt off. Man. Woohoo! We're getting stuff done. Thank you. Hey guys, it's Scott with Heritage Farms. Here it is. It's Saturday afternoon. We've been going full speed. If you remember in one of my earlier videos, we had a line of cedar trees that were all the way down here, and we took about half of it out, made that first pile, the old stuff, and then we had several more. Well, the conditions are so wet everywhere, but I'm kind of in a little bit of a hill, and I'm able to do a little bit of work today. But I want you to look at Big Blue right there. We just yanked that cedar out of the ground using some 6-foot pallet forks. I just went around and around the trees, stabbed it on every side, got the ground loose, pushed it over, and then spiked it. And I'm gonna go up here and slam dunk it on that pile. All right, guys, we've been getting a lot done today, making the best out of the situation. You know, glory be to God, we always need the rain, because one day we're gonna look up and it's gonna be June, July, August, and there's gonna be no rain. So glad all the pools and ponds and lakes are full. And we're doing the best we can. So hey, hit the thumbs up, leave us a comment, tell us what you think. We'll finish the weekend off with feeding some cattle tomorrow, and then we'll call it a wrap. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. If you're not a member, please hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment. Love to hear from you. Happy Memorial Day 2021. Get her, Kimber. Get her, Kimber.